So what might some implications be if we could upload our personal memories from our brains to computers in some distant future? In order to really answer this question, we have to really pay close attention to what is consciousness and what is the mind and what are memories. According to Dan Dennett, our self is defined by our memories. So in essence, if we do not have memories, we can't be ourselves. Technology allows us to store our memories in an artificial way. For example, in written form, instead of having to remember somebody's phone number, we just write it down. Well, with the advent of digital media and digital technology, the ability to upload our memories in the form of images, social networking sites, and other forms of media is enhanced. So in essence, we are already uploading our memories to the internet. So let's go back quickly to Dan Dennett and memories and self. So how does the mind perceive and store memories? Well, one of the implications that Dan Dennett was spelling out was that what we perceive is actually not what's there. Dan illustrates this quite elegantly by having an image that's highly pixelated, and as it's panned out, one can see what that image is. So in essence, the mind fills in what it doesn't actually see, but what it expects to see. So thus, our perceptions of reality and thereby our memories are actually called into question. And by extension, our self is not as clear as we'd like to think it is. So memory, in essence, makes up our self and our present. Predictions allow us to interact with the world, and our ability to predict allows us to take on novel challenges and take on strange problems. So the area of the brain where prediction occurs is the neocortex, and successful predictions is actually understanding. So intelligence is defined as making successful predictions about novel events. So the brain is constantly making predictions about what is going to happen next. So in our present paradigm, intelligence is tested by checking predictions. So to answer the question, what are some of the implications if we could upload our personal memories? Well, we'd have to actually redefine what the mind is. We'd have to redefine what the self is. We'd have to redefine what consciousness is. Some would argue that we'd actually lose our self because instead of actually having to recall it, we'd have an artificial medium that allows us to do this. Another potential implication of uploading our memories, or in essence losing our self, or having a blurrier definition of self, is an increased societal malaise. One of the possible benefits is an expansion of our memories. So instead of having to reconstruct our memories every single time that we try to recall them, we'll actually be able to recall a perfect memory of the event. So if our self is defined by our memories, and our memories and perception are imprecise, then the implication of uploading our memories to a digital form could be a loss of self, it could be a redefining of. So one thing is for certain, the ability to upload our memories will no doubt fundamentally change who we are as humans.